How to make video on REDnote. Today's video is all about how to create and make your own video on REDnote, whether you're sharing a quick message or creating content for fun. I'll show you how to get started quickly, so let's dive right in. First, open the REDnote app or go to the website on your computer. Make sure you're logged in with your REDnote account. Once you're logged in, look for the option to create a video. On the mobile app, this usually is a large plus icon or a create button at the bottom of the screen. Simply tap on that. Now you'll be in your album section. Simply swipe left to access the camera and grant REDnote the permission it wants to simply record the video. Simply tap on the circle to record a video, and once you're done, simply tap on it again. After you finish your video, simply click on done. Once your video is recorded, you can enhance it by using various filters, text, or effects. Just look for the option in the editing section. As you can see here, you can add text overlays or fun filters to make your video stand out. These customization options are great for adding your personal touch to the video. You can also add stickers in your video as well. After you've done, simply click on next. And after editing, once you're happy with your video, it's time to save or publish. You can either save it to your device or publish it to REDnote for your followers to see. Now simply I'll click on post. And there you have it. You've successfully created and shared your first video on REDnote.